What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi. We are back with another video. We are getting into this flip over type of look with human hair crochet. We have EayonHair. This is what the bag looks like. It's literally crochet hook to install the hair. The 5 that I do have in the pack. So this is what the hair looks like. And as you guys can see, like, the hair is very springy. If I cut off this piece, like if I cut it out in the camera and just hold it up like this, y'all would literally think I'm shaking some bundles. Like, this hair looks really good. Like, what? Y'all see the details on the hair? It looks very glossy. Like, this looks like some bundles. Y'all see the springiness? Yeah, and it smells super good. Like, and the curl on it, it just looks really good. This is what the strand looks like. This is what each individual strand look like. I think I might like double it for some, but this is what the strand looks like. This is what it looks like, so that it can definitely give that illusion. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So yeah. Ooh, y'all, I've been like just throwing half wigs over this. Like, my hair has been braided down for a minute and I've been dying to do this style. So let me kind of show y'all what is going on here. So what I did was I have my hair braided across in the front, because like I said before, we're mimicking, I look a mess with it. Like I said before, we're mimicking flip over. So all of this, my hair is going to be out. Please do not mind this. I'm trying to get that coming back. It really came from a half wig that I had on too tight and it kind of made like a bald spot. Not too much, but yeah, I did the braid over across. And then I also have, I don't know if you guys can see, please do not laugh, I have like a braid in the back right here. And then the rest of my hair is going down. Alright, you guys, so I showed you guys what I did in the back, and what you guys see me doing right now is literally what you're gonna do all over your head. It's very easy. Make sure that crochet hook is locked before you slide it through, and then I'm just going to kind of make it in like a little knot situation. So I'm just gonna pull my hair through that little circle opening that happens when you do pull it through, and you just kind of put it in a knot. And I'm gonna do the same thing all around my head. So I'm just showing you guys me doing it from different angles, but it's very easy. This is all you have to do. I like doing it this way because I don't necessarily want it to be too knotty, because when I do take it out, all I have to do is unbraid my braids and it slides right out, and I don't want anything to be like in a knot and it'd be hard to take out. And it was very easy to take this out, so I would recommend just doing it this way. But what I can say is that I really loved this hair. Like, it really gave sew-in or something like that, and this was literally just human hair crochet. So this is very easy to do. So if you guys just follow the steps and do exactly what I did, you will come out satisfactory with this hairstyle. One thing that I can say, it is a little time consuming. Yes, it is easy, but it is gonna take you a few hours to install all of them. I started doing double at first, and then I just went ahead and just did the singles. Doing the singles just makes sense, but if you want it like extra full, then you can go ahead and double it. But doing it single, it's kind of easier for the knot to stay, because I realized when I was doing some of them double, I had to like double knot it, and I wasn't trying to have like a tough knot in my hair. So I just went ahead and just start doing it single. But it, like I said before, it's very easy. As easy as it looks is as easy as it is. So right here, I kind of want to show you guys what I did towards the top. So to kind of like fuse the top together to make it look a little bit more closed, you see how I slid the crochet hook through both of my sections, and then when I make the knot, it makes everything come together. So the two rows of braids are now formed together from that knot, and you see how it closed that demarcation type look up. So that's literally what I'm doing, and I would highly suggest doing this braid across in the front like you see me did, because I feel like for the flip over look, it definitely gave like that type of look, especially because I had all the hair on that first row. I have all of them in, as you guys can see. I did end up, I think, having 2 left over. So right here is the number of packs that I did use. But I did take my hair out in the front. Everything is not wand curl yet. I'm gonna wand curl the front just so it can match. But I was already like looking like up, putting the hair up into like a little ponytail. And that will definitely be something cute that you can do with this. Really cute. Just throw it up into a bun or something like that. This is literally giving like low-key micro-lengths, like the way you could finesse it. We're gonna go ahead and get this together in wand curl. So cheek protecting, and then I am going to be using my edge booster wax stick in between, and I'm going to be using this small wand curler. I'm not going to be using any hot combs or anything like that, and the gel that I am going to use for my baby hair is the same one I always use, the Wetline Extreme. Now with me just using my little wand curler, like don't be afraid to kind of catch the ends to try to make it look a little more slick. Like I said before, like my hair is permed, but it is time for me to touch it up. So I do have some new growth coming in, so I had to just make sure I blended my new growth with the rest of my hair. But when I am wand curling, I am taking my hair, like I said before, with the crochet hair, and I am wand curling it together so it can blend. And I am showing you guys that this hair can be wand curled. This is 100% human hair. So if you wanted to brush this out and do some regular curls or straighten its hair if you would like, you definitely can, because this is 100% human hair. So after I am done with all the wand curls, I'm going back in with my Sebastian holding spray, and I did find this little pink head, not pink, purple headband. I don't know what this is called, the little zigzag thing. I found it at the beauty supply store. I really wanted a different color, so I really haven't used it, but I was like, this is the perfect time just to give this look like a little bit something different. And I actually really liked the way it came out. And so while I was like messing around with it, trying to make sure the hair looked really good, it was some parts that I wanted to go over and still have that more curly look. So I just went back in with my wand curler. Alright y'all, so this little clip is looking so cute on here. You guys can see the ends look very full and everything. Like, it's definitely giving curly flip over. And I add like a little touch with the little band. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and get my edges right, and then we will be done with this look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look of the hair. I really love the way this came out, and like I said before, I was gonna show y'all that you can actually put heat on this hair. This literally looks like a regular half wig or like a flip over quick weave. Like, this looks really good, and being that these are crochet hair, like depending on how you do your braid down and everything like that, like this will definitely last. Like, I think this is kind of like equivalent to like micro links of some sort or something like that, because of the way how the application is. Now this, I actually really like this. Like, this is so cute. Like the curls and everything, the hair pattern, the curl pattern itself is definitely giving wand curls. So I was like, okay, cool. Like EayonHair, they definitely like, what, this is cute. The little headband gave it like a cute little touch. You could put this hair in so many different hairstyles if you would like to, but I really love this little hairstyle that I did with this. Like, it's so cute. You guys already know where to go if you guys want to purchase this crochet human hair. Make sure you guys click that link in the description box down below and shop EayonHair. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and let me know how you feel about the video down below. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Gia babies, we out.